Excuse me. Never get the girl. Hey. Can I take you out sometime?
No.
No? Okay. Hey. Nice legs. I was wondering, you know, I'm single. Would you want to go out sometime? Could have at least said no.
Yo, bro. I saw what happened. And don't worry, I know this guy. His name's Squeegee. He's got plenty of swag. I'm sure he'll teach you the ways of the swag.
What? You crazy?
Nah, bros, for real. Go check him out. Trust me, man. His shit works.
Nah, man. I'm not gonna embarrass myself like that.
Alright, man. I'm gonna give you the card. You do you, but I'm telling you, man, it works.
Squeegee. All right. I want to learn.
You have been taught.
This is so nice. It really feels so good.
Hey, what's up?
Good, little mama.
Oh, how you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good. You're kind of cute.
Word.
Can I come with you?
Hey, we should go out sometime.
Where are we gonna go?
You know, on second thought, never mind.
Hey, what's up?
You know what? Too good for this.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
Good, how are you? What the hell?
I'm starting to feel something
I thought the director
that's really intensifying my body. Makes me want to do all kind of things.
Yeah!
Oh, hell no!